Hello there, today I will show you how to make money online with your designs. There's a pretty good website called Printful.com. It's a great company. I believe this is the best print-on-demand company you can find online. Design isn't too difficult, you can even write things on t-shirts or other kinds of stuff and make money from that. Here, let me show you. This is the website I'm on right now, it's Printful.com. It's a beautiful site. You just upload you just create, of course, at first you just create an account and open up a store here, and then you upload your designs, or there are some designs that you can use at first, and you can do writings on hats, phone cases, t-shirts, leggings, all kind of stuff. Should definitely check this out. There are people who became very successful using Printful. They say the build quality and print quality are a lot better than other print-on-demand websites. Yeah, let's look around. Here you can see they just had some orders like 2 minutes ago, so they get orders like every few minutes. They already made over 5 million sales, so people like these products for sure. You just basically just upload your design onto products, and then they do everything for you. You don't really do anything. They ship for you, they do the customer service, they print everything, and then they do most of the work. So it's pretty easy to use this print-on-demand service and make money. Here, this is their own basic design on some of the apparel. You just open up a store here, and then you have to have some other online stores to connect to Printful. You can't just sell from Printful. Only you have to have like Etsy, eBay, Amazon store, or Shopify, something like that. So you better set up that account first, and then go to Printful and open up a store, create an account. Just connect your online store to Printful, fill it with products covered in your designs. A customer then orders one of the shirts sold on your store. That order is automatically sent to Printful, where it gets printed, packed, and shipped. You get a notification and tracking number when the order is shipped. Your customer receives the order in a package covered with your brand, which makes it look like you shipped it out yourself. So you basically create your own brand and sell it in your own store without any hassle of managing a store. It's pretty easy. You can also send all your stuff to their warehouse and fulfill from there. Shopify is the #1 website to use. A lot of people, Shopify lets you build your own website and put all their products on there and create your brand to sell. But you can also use other services and websites like eBay, which a lot of people go to eBay to look at products. Etsy is mostly handmade products, but you can still sell your own designs and shirts and apparel or all kinds of stuff on there. Amazon has already everything. Millions of people use Amazon's top uh, site for shopping. There are 4 locations, one in LA, one in Charlotte, one in Europe, and those are in US, and one in Europe in Latvia, and one in Mexico. So your products will ship fast to any location. There are no monthly fees, no minimum orders, no shipping rate, low shipping rates, custom branding options, so it gives you a lot of options. And they also have apps either on iOS or Android, and you can look at all the orders and manage it from there. It's a great thing as well. These are their top seller products: leggings, sell a lot, and baby products, baby apparel, t-shirts, apron, hats, more shirts, and a handbag. So this is the right now best print on demand to use. You should definitely check it out. There are a lot of people who make good money from this, and they do it full time. You never know, after some time, if you become successful, you can even make a living. Let's look at their products. So they even do embroidery, which is awesome. It's difficult to find good embroidery shops to make orders, so they even give you the option to do embroidery on their products. They basically almost have everything. They even have home products, coffee mugs, pillows, pillowcases, wall arts, towels, aprons, all kinds. I created an account. I'm designing more now. You see, I just noticed this online. I was using Teespring before, but I believe this site is a lot better, so I'm gonna switch to Printful right now and see how it goes. I heard some success stories online and especially on YouTube, so we'll see. I just want to make a video and let people know that you can make money online with all these products. And you don't really need to be a designer or anything. Anybody can draw on their tablet or on their computer. There are a lot of drawing apps on iOS and Android that makes it easier to draw and create designs. Yeah, that's about it. You should definitely check it out. So, thank you. Bye.